Hello, my name is Mustafa Aksu, and I'm a board member of the Uyghur Academy USA. I currently live in Washington, D.C. I would like to testify for Mr. Abbas Monias. He was a literature teacher at Aksu Number 1 Middle School, which I'm graduate of. He was very well respected among us. He's a writer as well, and has published more than 20 books about Uyghur literature and culture. He was promoted by the authorities to a position at the Writers Association and moved to the capital city Urumqi. Later in 2017, he was detained and put into an internment camp. Since then, we don't have any information about him, and I don't know if he is alive or not. Here, I demand his immediate release and an end to the genocide of the Uyghurs.
My name is Gilner Esam. I would like to testify for an Uyghur scholar, Abdulpada, who was born in Kelpin County, Aksu in 1957. He was a senior researcher and the vice president of the Xinjiang Academy of Social Science. He was my colleague. He was arrested in September 2016 at his workplace in Urumqi. He had an incredible contribution for keeping Uyghur mother tongue at home in Eastern Turkistan.
My name is Gilner Esam, and I would like to testify for an Uyghur scholar, Kuresh Tahir, who was born in Kashgar in 1969. Kuresh Tahir was a researcher at the Xinjiang Academy of Social Sciences. He came to Indiana University in February 2016 as a visiting scholar. He was arrested in June 2017 in Urumqi at his workplace. After 4 months, he left the United States. Kuresh Tahir was a very kind person and knowledgeable linguist.
Hi, my name is Nablus. I would like to testify for an Uyghur scholar, Professor Abdulpada, who was born in Olji City in 1958. He was president of Xinjiang University and a PhD tutor. He was appointed vice president of Xinjiang University in 1996 and was promoted to president of Xinjiang University in 2010. He was a model academic, globally connected leading geographer in East Turkistan. Unfortunately, he was arrested in March of 2017 at the Beijing airport when he was on the way to conference in Germany. At the secret trial by the Xinjiang communist regime, he was convicted of so-called separatism and sentenced to death.
My name is Abdulpada. I would like to testify for Mr. Abdulwali Mohit, who was born in Ulja in 1944. He was an educator, a well-known public speaker, and a translator. He was an advisor and a significant contributor to Ulja Uyghur Education Foundation and the Nurtai Hajim Uyghur School for Orphans. He was the president of Ulja Number 2 Uyghur Public School. He translated numerous articles from multiple languages into Uyghur. Abdulwali Mohit was detained in 2018 and sentenced to life in 2020.
My name is Mehmet Imin. I would like to testify for Dr. Hamrat. Dr. Hamrat was born in Urumqi on March 6, 1960. He is a prominent Uyghur medicine doctor and is the first Uyghur scientist to be awarded the Distinguished Young Scholar Fund from Chinese National Science Fund in 2005. He held positions as vice president and the president of the Xinjiang Medical University from 1998 to 2017. Then director of Xinjiang Food and Drug Administration until his forced disappearance on December 10, 2017. His son Palwan was forced disappeared in November 2019.